Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you some tactical analysis over on the Bitcoin charts as we take a look at a possibility that Bitcoin has put in its bottom. But with that being said, you should proceed with caution. We're not making predictions. We're just looking at possibilities. So let's get right into the charts. And we will start over here on the daily candle chart for Bitcoin USDT on the Binance exchange. Now each candle represents a day of Bitcoin price action. And right now Bitcoin is pumping and trying to get above the 50 EMA. And that is a very important level for Bitcoin's price to get back above. But more importantly, it needs to get above the blue line, which is your 200-day moving average. And the reason for that is back here last Monday, 1 week ago, I had pointed out in last week's video, this was setting up to be a death cross. Now on Tuesday, we got confirmation of the death cross. However, the Bitcoin bulls have rallied and are pushing the price back up. And again, the key level to kind of invalidate this death cross would be to get the price above this blue line, which is your 200-day moving average, and hold above that, which if we look back and check our 6, we can see that Bitcoin price ran into a bit of resistance at pretty much that level, somewhere between 27.7 and up here at the top of the wick at 28.142. So what I would be looking for is a close, more than likely for Bitcoin's price above 28,000, and for it to hold above that level for at least a couple days. Because again, we're looking at daily candles. Now with that all in mind, if we drop in our drawing tools, you can see that Bitcoin's price is currently actually trading somewhat within a descending triangle ever since this sell-off. But right now, as of today, Bitcoin's price is trying to break out above the upper trend line. Now keep in mind, a descending triangle is a bearish pattern and typically breaks towards the downside. However, when they break towards the top side, you can see a pretty good move. And in this case, if we drop in a target for this particular breakout, we would be looking at a price target back up here around 30,700, which would more than likely be a possibility if, first of all, Bitcoin can get above this resistance level back here of around 30,000. And in reality, if Bitcoin's price does break above 30,000, the momentum of that breakthrough could actually push Bitcoin's price back up here to 30,700. And if Bitcoin's price does actually reach back up into this area, we could then possibly see this 29,000 level probably act as resistance first off. But if Bitcoin can get back above 29,000, or more importantly 30,000, again, if we look back and check our 6, that 29,000 level was a very strong level of support, and perhaps it will step up and be support again. And then just maybe Bitcoin has put in its bottom down here around the 25,000 level, which right now could be a possibility. 25,000 might actually be the bottom for Bitcoin before the next bull run. However, again, I can't stress enough, I'm not making any predictions. So we're going to look at possible price targets, both bullish and bearish. And to do so, I will drop in my Recon Auto Fib retracement indicator, and we'll start on the bullish side since Bitcoin's price is currently bullish. And in fact, in previous videos, I have mentioned that Bitcoin actually needed to get its price back above the 786 level, which was coming in around 26.6. And in fact, if Bitcoin can manage to close above this level, that would be a bullish signal, because this level has been a level of resistance for quite a while now, other than when it wasn't back here on this breakout, which ended up just being a fake out and the price returned to chopping sideways below it. But for now, the bulls are in control of the battlefield and have the price above the 786 level. I would prefer to see them get the price up above the 618 level, which is coming in around 27.7. And again, that number matches up with what we were looking at for the cross on the blue line, that 200 EMA. You can see that 200 EMA is coming in right here at the 618, which is 27.7. So when I start to see these type of indicators line up, those become very important levels for the price action. So with that being said, I want to see Bitcoin's price get above the 618 and close and hold above the 618. After that, then the 50% level at around 28.5 would be the next level of possible resistance. And then we're looking back up here at the 382, which is coming in just above that 29,000 level that, again, we were looking at previously on the possible breakout of this descending triangle, which was the level back here when we check our 6. That 29,000 was prior support and could flip into future resistance. However, if Bitcoin's price can get above that 29,000, it could then again become a key level of support. Now, after the 382, we have the 236 coming in, and that's right above 30,000, and that would put Bitcoin's price pretty close to our target price of the breakout of the descending triangle. Now, if Bitcoin actually gets above 30,000, the bulls would be in absolute control. And then Bitcoin could go on a pretty massive run, assuming it could get through probably the 32,000 level. You can see 31.8 as a level of resistance, but a break above, in my book, 32,000. Bitcoin's price could be on a run all the way up here to this open air target of around 34,400. But let me be crystal clear. There is a ton of levels of resistance in the way for the Bitcoin bulls before they ever see 34,000. Actually, there's going to be quite a bit of resistance, more than likely at 29,000, based on it being a previous strong level of support. So, on the flip side, if this is nothing more than just another bull fake out, perhaps they just set another lower high. You can see we get a lower high here. This might just be a lower high in relation to this lower high. And so Bitcoin's price could return back into this zone here between 25,000 and say 27,000. And in fact, if this is just a fake out breakout towards the top side, and the bears somehow are able to break through and get a close below 25,000, then Bitcoin's price could be headed down here to the 1272, and that would put Bitcoin's price at around 23,360, call it 23.5. That would be the first level of support. A break through the 1272 level, and Bitcoin's price could fall all the way back down here to the 168, and that's coming in at 21,000. And with that being said, I think that's enough jaw-jacking for this video. If there are any major changes over here on the Bitcoin charts, I will do an update video. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. And again, if you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.